Samuel Ashikwe, a great Olympics player, initially Accra Suffolk and a corner home first, but Kumasi Asante Kotoko at TSC. Yes, Krobi at TSC. Now, currently, as we speak, and Nekwesiada around 4 p.m. I mean, say Krobia lead the race to sign Samuel Ashikwe. Player no Unimbo Bopa or a very good winger. Yes, Samuel Ashikwe wabo national under 20 Ghana wabo pay and the under 23 so o progress eba very talented player. Crowds of folk edidi kan equal player in home, but akoye back and forth until say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Saturday omo express official interest in Samuel Ashikwe. Na as we speak Kotoko sika wanye waje so de my boy no ewo nanim na boy no nso mo Kumasi background kakra nti Kumasi steez ni wom onyaya abebo Kumasi ne friends abo Kotoko ena o maka Kotoko nsem no akere no enti ama boy no Accra Suffolk initial offer omode koto nanim no or dragging the feet some move we Kumasi Asante Kotoko timi pulling the offer ebe one of the greatest mover Kumasi Asante Kotoko asnache from omobeterous rivals Accra Suffolk Samuel Ashikwe tiedi no na channel so we fresh na call was a radio stations no as here report Kotoko currently as we speak yanyana ntie say omu lead the race to snatch Samuel Ashikwe from Great Olympics. Accra Suffolk can show interest no na player no or a winger, yes, forward wing unimbo ne pop details be a baby bro.